So apparently I just restarted the computer. I didn't hit any buttons at all. Brought me to a screen and asked me which one I wanted to boot from, and I didn't hit it in time, so it booted from the first one. This is what it's doing. So I believe now this is the actual, going through the installation process for the M2 SSD. So you go ahead and let it boot and everything, and you will eventually get to a menu like this. So I'm in the US, yes. The keyboard layout, US, so just click yes. I don't want to add one right now, I'll add one later, so click skip. So because this is for myself, I'll click setup for personal use and click next. If you're doing it for an organization, like for your company or other people, you would do the bottom one. But for me, it's the top one. Next. You gotta wait a moment. Add your account. I don't want to do so right now, so I'm just gonna click next. And I think you actually have to click this down here, offline account. And that way it just skips it. So get it now? Nope, don't want to. Limited experience. Click that one. Who's going to use this PC? Admin. Next. Password. Well, that was interesting. So I'm just going to click next. I don't want to set a password. Off. 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 Accept. Nope. Not now. It's a lot of advertising. So then you wait. So after waiting several minutes, which was accurate, it will bring you to this screen. So this is a fresh install of Windows 10. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to change it all up and upgrade it, but that's not part of this video. Basically, I just showed you how to take a blank hard drive, put Windows 10 on it, overcome any obstacles you encounter, stuff like that. So, once again, if you found this even remotely helpful, interesting, stuff like that, please just give a thumbs up below. Don't really care about subscribers, but at least give me a thumbs up to let me know how I'm doing. Or leave a comment saying good job or you suck, something like that. Thanks again.